welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this eyeshadow look, the base that I use, and the step-by-step application of how I achieved this look. So if this is something you will be interested in, then keep on watching. To bring you guys closer so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. The first thing I do is I use this eyeshadow base. This is from NYX Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Skin Tone and White. This is how the skin tone shade looks like. It's like beige. Yeah, it's beige actually, and this is how the shade White looks like. This is like pure white. So I use the two of them together whenever I'm creating a very colorful eyeshadow, but whenever I'm going for a more subtle look, I usually use just this one in beige. So I'm going to show you how I layer this on, and then I'll show you how I do my eyeshadow placement to make the colors. So the first thing I do is to take this color beige and put it on my eyelid. With the shade White. By the way, I'm using a flat brush. This is from Beauty Planet. Yeah, so I'm going to blend out this with this brush from Zoeva, and I think this is a concealer buffer brush. It has dried down a bit. I'm going to add another layer of this, and also try not to look up before it dries down, because if you look up, it's going to start creasing. So you have to look down till it's all dry before you start your eyeshadow application, or before you look up. So I'm going to add one more layer of this and blend it out the same way. I'm using this powder from Sasha to catch the fallouts, just in case the palette has fallouts. So guys, I'm using this palette from Morphe 35B. I'm using this palette because it's not so expensive, and I just want to show you how you can get any eyeshadow palette to work on your eyes, no matter how cheap it is. But that's like relative though. There are some palettes that no matter what you do, it's not gonna work, but this is a good one. I'm going to be playing around with colors. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but we'll figure it out together. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this color, this dark purple here, and I'm going to like pack it on my outer crease. This is how vibrant the color looks already. Then I'm gonna go in with this pink shade here to blend out the purple. So I'm going to apply that purple shade just to darken the outer crease more. And then I'm going to go back in with the purple to blend it out some more. And also blend it into the crease. Next we're going in with this blue shade. So I'm going to blend this blue shade into this purple just so I'll cover up this harsh line that is in between this place. I'll be going in with this brush that I used to apply the purple shade to just blend these two together without adding any extra product. Then to blend everything in, I'll go back with this brush that I used in applying the pink to just blend it all in here. So I left out this place on purpose because I'm going to be applying another shade, and that is this shade here. It's a golden shade. I'll be using a precise small brush for this. So I decided to just drag it in. I'm just playing with colors here. But I hope this doesn't ruin the makeup. So going back with this brush I used in applying the blue shade, I'm going to just blend these two together. I'm going to dust out the excess powder with this brush from Real Techniques. Really better to go in with a colorful eyeliner for your waterline to make the eyeshadow look pop more. So I don't have any white or colorful eyeliner at the moment, so I'm going to improvise. Like I did here, I used this base on my waterline. Guys, I applied the white base on my bottom lash line because I'm going to go in with these colors here just so I'll make the eyeshadow pop even more. So I'll be going in with this blue. This is a matte blue, my waterline. Then I'll be using the purple under my waterline. Going back in with the purple shade, I'm going to just stamp it on top of this white base. I'm going back with the pink shade to smoke out this purple on my bottom lash. So guys, to complete this look, I'm going to put on some mascara and pop on some lashes and then come back to show you the final look. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and I hope you guys learned a thing or two about how to apply your eyeshadows. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you in my next video. Bye.